Hey guys, this ought to be fun. This is my Vaultek safe that doesn't work anymore, and I can't get to my gun anymore. It's finally beeping, and now it's telling me there's a tamper thing. It's saying open. Doesn't open, so we're gonna beat the shit out of it. Won't find the safe. By the way, I can't find the key, but also Vaultek never called me back. And I called many, many times. Either couldn't get through, or they just didn't call me back. So, Vaultek, I lost my key, but you should have called me back. So there you have it, guys. All that mess that I had to go through to get this firearm out of my safe that went AWOL on me while I was traveling. The only place you can get the serial number is inside. I didn't have my keys. So yeah. Have a great day. Thanks, Vaultek.
Okay. I was about to hit post. And then I get a phone call back from Vaultek. And Grace at Vaultek said, well, if you can just send us proof of purchase and some pictures of the safe, I'll do you one better. We'll send you another unit. So, we're going to see if I can get proof of purchase, and then maybe we'll get another safe. Either way, a little bit late, but they would have told me to breach it anyway, they said. So, Vaultek might have come through. We'll let you know. Make sure you subscribe, follow, be on the Insta webs, the Facegrams, and all the things. And yeah, drive safe and choose your safe company wisely.